Hey everyone, it's Sean from Truffle. We've just rolled out a new product release packed with usability improvements, performance upgrades, and some powerful new features to make reviewing candidates even smoother. Let's take a quick look at what's new. We've added a brand new For Review tab that helps teams instantly see which candidates still need to be dispositioned. No more hunting or scrolling through lists. Once you disposition a candidate, you can easily move to the next candidate in the queue, so reviews are faster, cleaner, and more focused. We've also refined how filters and navigation work together. Any filters you set now persist as you move through candidates, so you can easily compare similar profiles or focus on a specific subset of applicants. Plus, we've cleaned up the top navigation bar to maximize space for your candidate content and make the overall interface feel lighter and faster. We've rebuilt the entire responsive design from the ground up, and it's a big leap forward. Video playback, transcripts, and candidate review now adapt beautifully across screen sizes. Whether you're reviewing on desktop, tablet, or phone, the experience is smooth, fast, and optimized for action. And a quick preview of what's coming next: teams and permissions. You'll soon be able to manage teammates with role-based access and control permissions not only across your workspace, but also at the job level. It's a big step toward more flexible collaboration for hiring teams of all sizes. That's it for this release. You can try all these updates live right now in your Truffle account. As always, we'd love your feedback. Drop us a note in Intercom or reply to this post. And thanks again for being part of Truffle. See you next release.